Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone has been doing well. Today I am just going to be doing a speed cleaning of my house. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that I recently moved a couple months ago, so I'm trying to still get into the swing of things, find my routine of things throughout the house, and this is just one way of doing it, by trying to keep my house clean and organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and stop talking and just play some music, and you guys can either just kind of clean along with me or watch how I do some things. I'm starting off with my master bedroom because I figured since I begin my day here by waking up, I need to complete this area first so it will kind of just flow into the house. Here is just me organizing, putting away, and wiping down the master bathroom. It wasn't relatively that unclean, but there were some things that were misplaced and that needed to be put back in their proper home. Now I'm moving on to my kids' bathroom. Now, normally on a regular basis, I do not touch this bathroom. This is their chore and their responsibility, so I make sure that they clean this bathroom. However, today I was just in my cleaning mode, and for the purpose of this video, I decided to give them a little break. But this is not normal. I don't normally clean their bathroom. I teach them this is their responsibility, this is their mess, and they will clean it. But since we're here, just enjoy. right, and the next and final stop for this part 1 series is going to be my kitchen. I am going to start by putting away my dishes first, so the dishes that I do wash, they can get stacked up. Now, on a normal basis, again, this is not my day-to-day chore. This is the kids' chore, and they usually do the dishes and things like that. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do it. And then also sometimes I just find myself always wiping up and picking up after them anyway. Like, what would parenthood be without that? So I'm going to just clean this kitchen, and you guys can just listen and watch me do so. I just had to drop in here and let you guys know that water bottle is full of bleach. I just pour like a cap full, maybe 2, depending on how many dishes I have at the moment, into my dishwater just to make sure they get sanitized and super clean. And then here is the dining area where the kids sit and eat every night. This probably won't be the dining area set up for a long time because I plan on getting a bigger table with 6 chairs to accommodate the 6 of us so we can sit together at night. But yeah, that is going to conclude the video. I hope you guys all enjoy this. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to it so you guys can see part 2, which will be coming very soon. I love you guys all. Stay safe, be blessed, and stay prayed up. Until next time.